All right, let us start with a fresh kind of coding, okay, in which we are going to learn today whatever we have learned till now and further process. Okay, and we are going to start today our first ML algorithm, which is the basic algorithm, that is simple linear regression. How we are going to apply and is it going to work or not? Let us see slowly. Okay, first of all, I will what first step you have to do is you just go to rename and just type here what is today's date, 26th of October. October is batch and this is for the Xenix people. Okay, this is for my reference. You can type according to your name, okay, whatever you are preferring. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just mention some comments in this session. We are going to learn simple linear regression. I don't know how much we can learn, but yeah, at least we are going to start today. Okay, what is the first step here? To import the libraries. Okay, always remember what are our first step? Import pandas as PD. I will store it in the short form. Then import numpy. Then let's say import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. So, sir, how we are going to remember or why we are going to remember? First of all, the question is, do we have to remember this? Okay, the main question starts over here. No, all the companies majorly, except few companies like Big Four, or there might be some companies which are like IBM, which are not so open to use the Chat GPT. But majorly, the companies nowadays are preferring like you don't have to remember the code. Okay, the coding part you can do, but the improvement of the codes, okay, that will be not given with the help of Google, ChatGPT, Bard, or anything that you have to do. So what is our task over here is we have to use the code to improve its accuracies, improve its results and everything. So if you think, sir, we are trying to remember this thing, don't remember, please don't remember. Okay, why I'm trying to write this by myself? Because I do something around 4 to 5 times per day, and each thing, same thing I do. As much as you remember, your accuracy, or sorry, your creativity might get hampered. It's totally upon you. Okay, by practice you will remember the functions. If you forget something, you can just go and search for it. All right, after importing libraries, now I will write import the dataset. Okay, how to import the dataset? So from pandas we have to use the read function, and I want to read, let's say, CSV file. I will write the path over here. Okay, but pandas is imported as PD right now, so I will just mention PD. I will save this in the file variable, and now let me just check where is the file stored. I will just copy the path for this particular file. Okay, so carefully see, I'm going to copy the path. I've pasted the path over here, and you can see instead of forward slash, backslash are there. I will repeat, please see very carefully. Instead of forward slash, these are backslash. When it occurs, whenever you copy paste your path, okay, so you have to erase and give the normal slash, otherwise it will give the error. I will show that error if you want. See, this is my thing. Now if I give the backward slash, what is my file name? I will just copy the file name also. Okay, this is my file name and dot csv. Okay, I'll read this, and this will give me the error. Now this error, when I give it, just because we have this slash, we are getting the error. Okay, this is the backward slash, we have to convert it into normal forward slash. So here I go, convert this into forward slash. Okay, now the file is readable and this is done. Is it clear to everyone? First of all, Shiresha, can we use any other variable instead of PLT? Yes, yes, Vinay. Yes, we can. And yes, we can use, yes, clear. Can you share this data set now? Okay, you want the data set right now so that you can do parallelly with me, right, Ramya? Okay, so I'm sharing with you on the group. Just give me one more minute. Okay, it's good that I can see you are having good enthusiasm to learn parallelly. So here I go from the E drive, which is the data set 1 to 2 October in April. Okay. Just let me know. Have you received it on the WhatsApp? Everyone, just let me know. You received it, right? Yeah. Okay. Quickly, please read it. So I'll just give you only one more minute. I'll write here head. Okay. So by default, I don't have to see the multiple files. Currently, if you see what I was telling you in the pre-processing part, if I read the file, you can see there are more than 1,000 rows. In fact, we have 13,000 rows. This is also too much small data. But now this data, you can see, I can, show only few rows so that I will understand, okay, what are the column heads, nothing else. I don't want to see the different type of rows. I only want to see the sample of that data. So I will mention the head, head. Okay, this is there. If I mention here only one, so it will show only one. So by default they will show 5 to 6, but if you mention any number, so they will show according to the number. Everyone ready? Can we go ahead? This is only importing of the data set. Okay, all right, then let us go further. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to start our pre-processing part, and before that we will go ahead and do the data overview. Okay, data overview means what? My data is stored in file, and then from this file I'm going to first of all check the shape. Okay, obviously I'm getting, you know this much rows and 59 columns are there. So I'm writing columns are presented in the given data set. Okay, all right. Now the same thing, file is there. Now I need to write down first of all problem statement. Okay, those who are writing with me, they can write down the problem statement. Here we are interested to know if we can apply linear regression on revenue column to predict next values. Now what is regression, what is prediction, and everything, slowly I'm going to explain everything. Just remember, this is my problem statement. What is my problem statement? So there I can see multiple columns are there, from which event revenue a column is there. If I remove this, okay, there is some event revenue column. From this revenue column I can see there are some values, missing values are also there, but there are actual values also. Okay, these values are there, these values are there. Okay, I can see that values. I want to predict whether these values can be, forecasted or predicted for the next some values based on certain factor. Can we predict, yeah, what can be the next revenue for the big basket? Yeah. Okay, so we can do this. And just one disclaimer I need to tell you, like, this data set is only for the educational purpose, nothing else, and it's not a so confidential data, and this is used only for our learning purpose to understand how the e-commerce company work. All right, so you should also use for that particular thing only. Okay, done. Now what we have to do is we have to first of all understand why I have written the problem statement over here, because I am going to start the data pre-processing. In the data pre-processing, whatever columns are irrelevant with us, that I'm going to remove. Okay, so instead of I can see many columns are there, na? So many columns are there which are irrelevant. Okay, so instead of removing the irrelevant data, I will take only which is needed. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is I'm going to take only that data from this file which is needed for me. So first of all, I want to predict the revenue. I'm interested in the revenue column. Okay, now this revenue column needs to be, what we can say, predicted with the help of certain factors. Let's say, for example, I want only this particular column. First of all, let me tell you what is the column number of this first column. It is 0. Why? Because indexing in Python always starts with 0. 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want column number 6. I am going to use the ilog function. Okay, with the help of ilog function, I just have to type this, and in front of me there will be a revenue column. Okay, just carefully observe what I have done. Ilog function I have used. So how to use ilog function I will show you. So this is my file. Okay, just see very carefully. This is my file. From this file, whichever data I want, I will just type I log. Okay, what do you mean by I log? Index location. I for index, loc for location. Based on index location, we are going to extract only those rows and column which we want. Okay, so whatever I'm going to write down before comma, it is my rows. I will write here comment. So I log, here rows are written, comma, columns are written. Okay, so let's say I want this particular data to be visible. What I will type, 0th row is there and 0th column. So 0 comma 0, and you can see click is displayed. Okay sir, got it. Okay, now let's say again. Okay, why to erase this? I have another file showed over here. So let's say I want this particular data. Okay, or let's say something different. Okay, let's take this. So this is first row, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, third column. Okay, so 1 comma 3, I will get this particular date. Okay, this particular date, 1 comma 3. So I can see that 2021 10/20, 2021 10/20, the same date is there. Is it clear to everyone? ilog function, those people who are from the background, they will already know this. Okay, I'm asking for others people who already don't know. It's clear, right? Easy to understand. Okay, so same thing, if I want all the rows, I want all rows, so simply I will write here colon, and if I want all the columns, I will write here colon. So all the rows and all the columns means the table itself, the entire table itself. But I don't want all the columns. I want all the rows, but I want only few columns. Which column I want? Let's say sixth column. So here is the sixth column, sir. If I want multiple columns, so from sixth till let's say eighth column I want. Okay, so sixth and seventh are visible, and what we have to do is we can use this particular technique to extract the data. If we type here 8, so you can just mention the brackets, and you can mention like this 6, 7, 8, and then automatically you will get that particular amount of numbers which we have. Same as slice operator. Yes, Harini, you can just understand it's like a slice operator. Majorly, colon is not the slice operator here. iloc is only that function, like behaving like the slice operator. So in the slice operations in the Power BI or slicing in the Excel, what we do is we extract only necessary data. So it is done by that function iloc. Okay, These are the syntax in the ilog that we have to use the colon. Okay, instead of colon also I can give the range of that particular thing. Let's say 5 to, you know, let's say 10. So what I'm getting is, if I want to give the range without any bracket, I can give. If I want to give random numbers, let's say sixth column I want, sixth column, 12th column, and randomly like 19th column I want. So I will do like this. So you can see sixth, 12th, and 19th column I want to mention in the bracket. But from 5th to 10th, if I want to mention, I will mention in this way. Yeah, 5 to 10 means it will give from 5 to 9. Here it is giving 5 to 11, you have to mention, so that it will give from 5 to 11. Are we guys clear with the syntax of the ilog function? Ha. Okay. All right, Ramya. Just carefully observe. Here is my file. Okay. This is my file. Now what I have to do is, I want to use sir ilog function. So dot ilog. This is my function. Sir, what I want to write in ilog function? Number of rows and columns. Okay. So let's say I want only one column and one row. I will write here 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0. Okay, sir, I got that click. But I want, sir, all this clicks, everything it is written. Everything. So what I will write here? Colon. So clicks, first column is in front of you. Second column you want, type here 1. Second column is in front of you. Third column you want, type here 2. Third column is in front of you. Sixth column you want, here is sixth column. Let's say for example I'm taking some data set, but that data set I don't want all the rows. Okay, for all the rows we will type colon. For all the rows to be extracted, we will write colon. Okay, we'll write the colon. But let's say I want only from this NA and 24. I want only this much. What I will write from 0 to, let's say, 2. 0 to 3. Now you can see 0, 1, 2. So NA 24. I can give the range also. Okay, let's say I want row number 1. Just imagine I want row number 1. This row should be visible, and directly then fourth row should be visible, where the 4 index value is written, 0 and 4. Remember. So what I need to do is, I need to give the square bracket. 0 comma 4. This is about rows, comma column which I want, sixth column, sir, that is separately mentioned. So 0 comma 4 row is mentioned of sixth column, but sir column number also I want, sixth column I want, and let's say ninth column I want. Okay, so I can mention like this. Or if I want a range 6th to ninth, from sixth column till ninth column I want, bracket close. So here you are. Now is it clear, Ramya and other people? Still, if you have the doubt, you can ask me. It's clear, Ramya? Got it. Okay. So now the same thing. What is my intention? Sir, I want only this column, event revenue column. Okay, event revenue column. So what I will do is, which column it is? Sixth column. And all the rows I want for that. So all rows and sixth thing I want. Okay. Here. All right. So this is how I'm getting the variable. All the event revenue here, the event revenue is stored. Event revenue will be stored in this. Okay, now I can give it some name. Okay, let's say I'm giving, okay, I'll later give you the names and everything. Now just imagine, now here I have revenue. Okay. Oh god. All right. So till now it is clear to everyone. Now I want to predict this event revenue. Okay. Before that, what I will do is, let's say for example, I'm going to store this somewhere. Just a minute. Same thing I will copy Same thing, I will paste it over here. Data set is my variable in which I'm storing that sixth column. So here I will show you what is my data set, the same sixth column in which I'm going to do the pre-processing. What I'm going to do is null function. Okay, with the help of is null function and summation of that, we will get the how many missing values are there. So how many missing values are there? 6437. So it's too much of missing values. Now let me know, you all will answer. Here are missing values in front of you. By what value I should fill the missing values? Let me know, everyone. This is my data set. This is the event revenue. Very good. Rudra, Gurucharan, very good. Harini. Anyone else? I want answer from everyone. Huh? I want to teach this everyone. Ramya is also telling me. Okay. Everyone. Okay. So Prince is telling something new. Okay, Shresha. Okay, very good, Shresha. Shresha is telling about the mean or median. Okay, very good. Anyone else remaining? I guess Vinith has not answered. Guys, I'm not pointing out. Huh? I just wanted to give the personal attention so that everyone grows. What do you say? Right? Very carefully observe. Observe very carefully. Sir, what is this data? First of all, sir, this is the data set of a e-commerce company where we are, getting some orders. So I can understand, sir. This click, I don't know, sir. But this is time. Some times are written here. Some even name is written, sir. But here it is written, sir, revenue. Okay, revenue first of all in the US dollars, and let's say then again in the some kind of INR. These values are written. Some event revenue and then in the INR value. Something is written, sir. Okay, but it is in the revenue format, sir. Just imagine, just imagine how to understand this kind of problem statements. Prince is there. Okay, I will first of all explain the data set. Attribute touch type means Prince is there. Prince saw a big basket data, a big basket advertisement on the Google. Okay, he was just searching something else. He saw the big basket advertisement that there is, let's say, 10% off. He clicked on that advertisement. So this is called as click. And then touch time. When he clicked, it is written over here. Install. He installed the application. When the install application, because this particular data set might be of about the when the user is not having any application, then show that advertisement to user. Means Prince is not having any application of big basket. Prince is shown the advertisement like if you install today, you will get 10% off every day. So he installed. When he clicked on that advertisement, everything is written. And after that installation, he performed some event. What is that event? Slowly we will understand. This event is about address ad. He just added his address of his place in the Gujarat. Prince is from, I guess, Delhi. So from Delhi, he just mentioned here the address at which particular time that event time is written, and then he has ordered something. Okay, he has ordered something. Let's say, or he has not ordered. Any means what? He has not ordered. Why? Because he has given only address addition. He has just entered the address, nothing else. Same thing. Rudra is there. He's from Gurgaon. He has added his address. But Ramya is there. Ramya from, let's say, Bangalore has purchased first subscription of 24 rupees or $24 or whatever it might. 24 rupees. INR is written here. 24 rupees. Whatever it might be there. Let's say it's the purchase of bread or something, a packet of bread. So Ramya has paid the money. Now tell me, everyone. Now what we will replace? Still, are you with your mean value? No, sir. If Prince has not purchased anything, blindly we will not see. It is numerical column, sir. Not purchased means not purchased, sir. No median, Harini. Prince has not purchased. Means it is 0 rupees. Try to understand. No value means zero. See, Harini, if you are from, let's say, from Maharashtra, okay, Solapur, and I'm telling, like, Harini has seen the advertisement of Big Basket, download, click on that advertisement, she downloaded it. And after that, once she downloaded, first step of Harini will be to only add the address. That it is written. And that is why there is no any revenue. If there is no any revenue for such kind of data set, zero should be entered. Yes, very good, Guruchan. Yeah, the syntax you will understand. But I'm telling, see, the same thing if everyone do na, I will give you the code, everything code will be ready. Nowadays coding part is not that important. Coding part can be done by anyone, okay, just by using your knowledge or using other AI tools and everything. But what is important is your understanding. If you are want to be experienced in this field now, you need some experience. Otherwise what we would have done, sir, this is numerical data, replace with mean or median. Was it good today to understand this kind of data, where, sir, we already know now revenue has nothing value, revenue is nothing. Means what? Harini or Ramya has not purchased anything. That means we have to fill all the missing values with zero. Data set dot fill any, and here I want to type 0. Okay, now here is my data set. This I will store in, let's say, data. Okay, now I want to check it again whether there are any other missing values or not. Okay, now there are 0 missing values, and I have overwritten the data set. In the same variable I have written the means filled the missing values. Is it clear to everyone? If you understood this na, trust me, you are still gaining the knowledge. Then you understood everything, then you are gaining. Everyone, one and one student, all right, because this is very much important. You go to any company, you ask them for, sir, I want job or internship, no one will give you. Why? Because they will simply ask, if you consider our company, this is the column of revenue, how you will replace the missing value. There only your interview finish. Now you are ready for the interview. Okay, so this only career counseling, or this I was talking about, you need some, more clarity. Now we are clear. Okay, sir, now here in the data set, so I have this particular thing. Okay, now what I want to do is, I want to perform linear regression on this, but based on only one variable I cannot. Okay, based on only one variable I cannot do that. Linear regression, first I will define you what is linear regression. Till here we understood. Okay, after this if I add some columns, so what you can do is, you can start with your descriptive analysis also. Actually descriptive analysis you can perform it here also. Once our data overview is there, remember always, there is only one kind of analysis which do not needs any kind of problem statement, and that is descriptive analysis. Why? So we are only describing our data. It will not need any problem statement. Before problem statement, if we can analyze something, that is only descriptive analysis. Why, sir? Because simple thing is there, na, sir. Descriptive analysis means we are only describing whatever is given. Done. So how to describe that? Yesterday we saw that. So where is my data stored in the file? So this is my original data set. First of all, what I will do is, I will use the describe function. Simple things you have to do. Okay, this is a describe function. Now although there are some columns which we do not want, but still we have the describe function for everything. Then you can also go ahead with the uh, use of matplotlib, and you can draw the histograms and everything. But histogram for many columns need not to be done. Select only the columns which you have to do. So here I will write data visualization for basic descriptive analysis can be done for selected columns only. Okay, now file is there, right? From this file, yesterday we saw that first of all we need to use the plt function. Why? Plt is stored over here. Okay, now let's say Vinith was asking, sir, can we use different function? Okay, so Vinith, now for you I'm going to use this. Okay, so same thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to mention first of all what kind of size I want in the data, and then let's say I want to first of all draw the histogram. So I guess you are clear with the histograms right now. So for which particular column you want histogram? So let's say event name. I can see variation over here now. So event name, what I will do is, okay, so I can just go ahead and draw here histogram first of all. Automatically, with the help of this particular thing, you can get the histogram. I just have to type here column name. So file, square bracket, and here the name of column. Okay, obviously, and then you will get the histogram here. Got it? Oh, just 1 minute, huh? You got it? Now it is visible. Should I make it smaller size? Now it is visible. Sir, I understand, sir. Now, what is there, sir? So four different kind of event name are there, and what are their number of rows? Okay, that is there. Address at how many people have added the address? So yes, sir. Now you can write here insights. Okay, below this. Oh, sorry. This chart is showing us how many people have performed which kind of event in the application after installing. Got it? So how many people have added the address you have over here? Subscription you have over here. Now how you will understand, sir, that okay, so I will do one thing. Okay, this is my file. Okay, I will do it in another cell. Don't mix it. Okay, you whatever comments I'm writing now, these are nothing. These are not only comments. These are the insights that you are writing. I'm only writing one or two. You have to write down. You are supposed to be write down like here what interpretation you can do at least, sir, from our entire uh, people who have done some action on our application. Okay, our company application, maximum people have only added the address. Maximum people, sir, maximum have only added the address, and rest of the events are like this, sir. Okay, more than 50% gap is there, sir, more than 50%. Okay, means if we consider people are 2500, so almost double people have added the address. So at least they have started getting something. Getting error name Vinith is not defined. So Guru Charan, how I have defined Vinith name? Because here as Vinith. Vinith means here I have done the Vinith. You don't have to do the Vinith. Do the PLT. I was just showing to Vinith. Here you have to do the PLT or type here Vinith first. Then only you will get that. Let me know. Have you solved it? Vinith, also you have solved your doubt. Got it? Vinith, you also got it? Whose doubt was this? Vinith only, na? Yes. Got it? Alright. Now you are done with the regression. Sorry, you are done with the descriptive analysis. I cannot do all the visualizations here because then it will take more time. You can just go ahead with the visualization of each and everything. I just wanted to show you something like, let's say file is there. First of all, I cannot remember all the values. Okay, uh, file. See, one more thing, I will show it to you. In the file, if I mention here in the double quote the name of column, so that column will be shown to me first of all. Okay, so I will write here in this way, the column is visible from the data set. So this is one more technique. Without using ilog function, I can show the column name here. Okay, sir, this we got it. So what I want to try to show is from this file. Okay, if I show this name dot values, okay, and then I am pressing counts function over here. Okay, so what I'm going to get is I'm going to get how many people means have added the address exactly. Okay, this is only for your understanding, so I will do here hashtag. Okay, I don't want this because then it will take my space. Okay, this also I will delete. Now you have one below one. Histogram is there, sir? Yes. Below histogram, we have all the details like how many people have added that is very good, sir. Very good. Huh? In this way, you have to do it for each and every column, which is essential for you. Okay, and this is only how we have to do the descriptive analysis. Okay, one more thing I will show it to. See, there is dot 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 written here. Means what? There are many columns, but they cannot be shown here. Okay, just because of that, dot 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 is there. But I guess there is some city column also. You open the Excel sheet separately in your laptop while doing the coding, and then with the help of that, you will know. So there is city column also. So based on city column, I can do the same thing. Copy this code, paste it over here, and let's say I'm doing the same thing for city. Instead of event revenue, city is there. Oh, city name is not there. Oh no, values count. Huh. Is there city in our column or not? Just let me know. It is not getting executed. Can anyone just know? Is there any city column or what is the name of that column? Value count set is just showing Guru Charan like how many different categories you have. How many different categories you have in that particular column. So value count means, sir, from this file, we are selecting one column. In that column, whatever values are there. Okay, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, these are values, sir. We are going to count that value, sir. Okay, with the help of this descriptive analysis, are you getting any kind of values separately, Guru Charan? No. Count of all the rows are written. Count of all the rows are written. But individual things are not written. For individual things, what I have done? For event name, this particular column, value count. Okay. So value count. Okay. Now with the help of that value counts, see here I have shown to you with the help of that value counts, I got it. Majority of my audience are from Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, then Pune, Thane, and in this way. And you got it. Okay, a graph also. Just because cities are more in number, we cannot get the graph very properly here. Even if you draw the pie chart, then also. Simple thing is there. Correct? Now it's clear, Guru Charan? City present, yeah, it's getting the output, so city is present. Done, everyone. So this is how actually you are supposed to do the descriptive analysis, and then just wait for a little bit. I need to explain. See what should be your sequence. Sir, I've imported libraries, imported the data set. We understood the data set. How? So we, with the help of data overview, okay, with the help of basic descriptive analysis, and with the help of then data visualization of that descriptive analysis. Okay, what we are going to do, sir? We are going to, analyze what is already present in the data set. Okay, sir, we got it. So let's say, for example, you got a data set from wherever company you are working, whichever company you are working in. Let's say Harini is working in my company, and I told Harini this is the data set for today. She done the descriptive analysis, so she should tell me, sir, insights are, sir, our company is performing very good in Bangalore, and then on second number Delhi, third number on Mumbai, sir, in the same. And then, sir, there are some list of companies, there are list of cities where we are not performing very good, sir. Slowly everything we have to do, but these insights are essential for me. Otherwise, as a CEO or as a manager, it's useless for me. Coding part I can also do. Why I have hired Harini is because there should be someone who will help me with the insights and the human brains, so that I can, understand pattern. Okay, Bangalore people are responding for my advertisement. Good. So I will do more marketing, and in the Bangalore, I should not lose my presence in the Bangalore. At the same time, I should improve in some cities. Okay. Now, for this particular thing, let's say, for example, we want to predict. So linear regression is the algorithm, is the basic algorithm, or regression. First of all, just regression. Linear is one of the type of in that. Okay, regression is the algorithm in which you will predict near future values. Okay, near future means what, sir? Can we predict 10 years of data? Yes, you can predict the 10 years of data also. What is the use? You have too much small amount of data. You have a data set of only 1 month or 20 days or 30 days, and you are trying to predict 10 years of data. Obviously, the accuracy will be very much low. Okay, that's why near future means yes, sir. If we have 30 days of data, tomorrow's at least. Okay, tomorrow how much revenue we are going to cover? That I will get. Okay, so how to do that? That can be done with the algorithm. This algorithm is called as regression algorithm. From that regression algorithm, we are going to learn linear regression first. Okay, from this algorithm, linear regression is just a type of regression algorithm. How to use that? Let us see it tomorrow. Don't rush it too much. But I guess today's examples is clear to you. Intention is also clear. Intention wise intention, I have shown you how an entire data set can be done, the pre-processing, a kind of descriptive analysis and everything. Just let me quickly know in the chat box, are we guys clear for the today's all the activity and how you have experienced this thing? Is it good? Was it good session, useful session? Rudra is asking, sir, do we have to use .csv for file which you have given the location file? No, .csv means my file is in CSV format. If my file is in Excel format, here obviously instead of CSV, Excel. I have released other my videos also. Okay, Excel I will write, and instead of .csv, here Excel I will write. Extension is Excel. Then I will run this. But currently it will give me error. Why? My file is not there in Excel. My file is in the CSV. So CSV. Then also it will give me error. Why? So CSV you have done here, but here you have to give the command. Now it will take. Got it? Okay. Done. Anything else? Regression. So Vinith is asking, Vinith, let us not rush so far. I have another class also. Regression, you just remember, like regression is kind of machine learning algorithm, which is used for predicting future values. Okay, means today's revenue, this entire data set, let's say it is for 30 days. We have row number 1, 2, 3, 4, and this entire data is for 30 days or 20 days. Okay, from this 20 days or 30 different days, we want to predict what will be our revenue for upcoming 21st day or 31st day, 32nd day, 33rd day, next, what will be our values, and why we want to predict that, Vinith? Sir, if we know na, approximately tomorrow I am going to make a sale of, let's say, what, 1 lakh rupees from Bangalore. So I should be ready. I will immediately call my inventory manager or my procurement manager. I will ask, is there enough inventory with us? If not, procure the inventory. Be ready with our products. Tomorrow we are going to get a good sales, right? And let's say with my experience or with the regression algorithm, if we get a data like tomorrow is not going to be very good day, yeah, we will be then be silent. Do not invest more in the marketing. That also some decisions we can take. Got it, Vinith? Yes, Gurushar, we need more time and more practice for it. So Suresh, if the data is in the text, we should convert into CSV or method is there. No, if it is in the text format, it comes under text analytics. Don't worry. Whatever feedbacks I am collecting from you, I will show you how to apply the text analytics on that. If text files are there, so you can directly go ahead and read the text file. So okay, they, if they have asked you to do that, so I am going to show you, but that will be in the text analytics. If the files are in the text format, although it is tab separated, any separated, the same kind of commands are there, only syntax will be different, and we'll see it slowly. Don't worry. But text analytics, I don't think so it's too much of part of you. Okay, but yes, still I will cover the basic parts of text analytics. If you want to learn in much detail, yeah, you can tell me that separate subjects is there. We can learn the text analytics in much detail also. Okay, all right.